See, you have to say they are not hearing you. Don't put your hand in your mouth, okay? You just say, see what mom is doing. I say, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I say, Ayana. See, how much is this pink shoe? 8,000. 8K. That last price. So you are just doing, eh? Yes. Now, wow. They are for babies. Not really. Wow. This one, this one is how much that cost. This one for girls. This dress is amazing. This dress is 18,000. That one, the purple one is 20K. I have cheaper dresses. Oh girl. Fine girl. The dress is beautiful. This dress is like how old? Baby, mom. That is 3-4 years. Again, it's tall. How that much? 3 next month.
Okay, when I come back, just bring it out.
Good afternoon. You can check for your fabrics. Fabrics. What for your Christmas light?
200 LED light is 3.5.
100 LED is how much?
100 LED is 2.5.
Oh,
sorry, 140 is 2.5. 100 is 2,000.
Oh, shit. Then the ornaments.
Which one do you like? 4.5. This one is 3.5. Let me cut it. Let me buy it. This one is 12.
And how many is inside there?
12.
Then this other one.
This one is 10,000. 10,000.
How much is this one? You said you're giving me the 2 for 5. No, it's not this one.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my church was having a pop-up market sales last Sunday, and yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys the vendors and what they were selling outside the church. Later on, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys what I bought. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for all your support thus far. Please keep supporting your girl. Thank you. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and also subscribe to my channel like I said before. Enjoy the vlog.
Oh my gosh, guys, so I just came back from church and I decided to show you guys like what I got from the mini pop-up sales, pop-up market that my church was organizing. Like, I did not plan for it. I didn't know they were having, like, there's gonna be a pop-up market, so I didn't really buy much. But let me just show you guys what I bought. So I got this shirt. Basically, I just got things for Jaden alone. I got this shirt for Jaden. Got this t-shirt. Yes, these t-shirts and shirts are very big, but I told them 1 year. Then I got some singlets. You know, the weather nowadays is hot. Mama, you're pouring water here. See, you're pouring water on your shoe. I said remove. I got this shirt. got these. So these 5 shirts, these ones and these are thrift, and I got these like this for 5,000. I got this for 5,000. Then I equally got from Tiwa and Tiara accessories. Tiwa and Tiara accessories, clothing and more. Yeah, so I got this like beautiful beach like wear for Jaden. It's like it's a 2-in-1. 2-in-1 beach like 2-in-1 beach like wear for him. I love it so much. And I got this shirt. The light is not doing justice to this shirt. This shirt is so beautiful, guys. Come on, off this light. Let me see. Off this one. Okay, wait. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Look at the shirt. Okay. Look at the shirt. I love it so much. The shirt is so beautiful, so cute. So I think she was doing sales because on Instagram this shirt is going for like 15,000. 15. The least I've seen this shirt is 12K, and I got it for 5K. Oh my gosh, I got this for 5K too. So basically, those are the few things I shopped for Jaden. I'm trying to create thumbnail. So altogether 5, 10, 15,000. That was what we just spent. So I'm gonna be washing these, both the new and the thrift. It's good to wash your newborn clothes, whether you bought it new or it's a thrift. It's very good to wash their clothes before you put them on, because you actually don't know where these clothes have been. Just because it's new doesn't mean it's safe for your baby to wear. Always wash your clothes, your newborn clothes, before you wear them. And when I got back home, oh geez, my beautiful sister from another mother, my beautiful sister gifted us like rice and this beautiful package that I'm gonna be unboxing with you, for you guys. Like with you guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys along as I'm unboxing it. But she brought, yes, this package with her. It just says Honeywell Seasons Greeting. Let's see what we have here. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, my beautiful sister. God will bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we have whole wheat meal. Oh Jesus, more foodstuffs. And semolina. Another semolina. Oh my god, this is too much. Pasta and spaghetti and indomies. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is too much. Oh gosh, thank you so much, sis. If you're watching this, God bless you. I know I already called and thanked you, but this is actually beautiful. I just thought, to unbox it with you guys, to show you guys the gift I got. My Christmas. Hey, I invited to my house, guys. Thank you so much, sis. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. I really, really appreciate this. Thank you. God bless you. Oh my god. So guys, this is where I'm gonna be ending this vlog. We don't want to make this video so long. Thank you guys. Hope you're enjoying my Vlogmas so far, because I'm really shocked that I've not given up yet. I hope you all are enjoying my vlogs. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And keep doing all the good stuff. Keep supporting your girl because your girl needs it. Thank you. And see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad.